Hey guys, welcome back to the Solution Architect channel, and we're still on WordPress at the moment, and in today's video we're going to tackle our first part of it is news. And inside this I'm going to show you how to add RSS feeds, and at the same time also explain more or less what RSS feeds are. So go back to your WordPress site if you are following me and you are creating your own website. I'm just going to minimize this. So just remember this picture. This is where we want to be. And you must have your own picture creating your website. Okay, go back to your WordPress site. And we want to add a RSS feed to our news page. So we go back to our design and click customize. Okay, now we are currently on the main page. You want to go to the news feed. That's where you want to add the RSS feed. Go menu, go news. Yeah, now before we add one here, I'm going to just explain quickly what RSS feeds are. An RSS feed is basically a link to another web site or web pages that has structured information or content that you can feed into your website. So for example, you don't want to go type in information in your news feed about IT news or things that's actually happening out there. So you can automatically change that. So a feed will feed that information into your website as soon as there's more information loaded onto another website, and they will give you those feeds. So I've got two examples here where I want to go into. So you've got computerweekly.com. What I did is you can just Google it as well. Just say RSS IT news RSS feeds, and it will give you a lot of links there. But I'm just going to use two examples: TechRadar and computerweekly.com. Now they've got a few here that you can select. You've got IT careers and IT skills, all of the stuff that's more or less IT related feeds. Now how you do this is normally they give you this, it looks like a Wi-Fi signal, but this is for RSS feeds. So I'm just going to click on latest IT news. You click on this link there on this button, and that will take you over to an XML file. Okay, so don't worry about this. All you have to do is on the top here, just have to copy this. So Control C, copy that link, and then we're going to add it to our news feed here. So go back to your WordPress and you go to widgets. Okay, so this is a widget. We're just going to add it to the sidebar. You click on add widget, and then there's a lot of things here, and you'll learn a lot about widgets. We're also going to do in the next video links to my YouTube channel in another on one of my other pages. So but first of all, what I want to add now is an RSS feed. So you just go to RSS, this one, not the links, just RSS, and you copy V, paste that inside there, and you can just say IT news on the title, and you'll see automatically on the right hand side news coming through from Computer Weekly. Okay, so let's just leave it as is. What we're going to add another widget from TechRadar, sorry, and let's go there first to techradar.com, and they've got how-tos.techradar RSS. So they've got a few here if you are interested. So no thanks. In software feeds, you know, I think all of us like gaming. Let's do the gaming one. Say gaming feed. Yes, I'm not young anymore, but I love playing games as well. Go back here and we add another widget. Go back to RSS feed and we paste that inside there. Gaming news. And this will probably put it in the bottom there. You can rearrange it, or we'll do that. We'll do that right now. But you can see that all the new and the latest things coming through and showing on your website. You can still have your news here. I'm going to save that changes. Okay, so this is saved. So we go back to the main page, to the main site. If you want to add your own news here, for example, you can just click. I'm not sure why is it locked out, but if you click on edit, it will take you into how your page will look like for that specific page only, and then you can add your own news here. Okay, you see you've got different options inside here. It's just like a normal WordPress, like normal Word document edit, but it's got a few extra things that you can add. For example, you can add a link in here, and you can type in the link there. I'm just going to go copy and paste the link while I pause, and I'm just going to paste the video of the first. You can click this open in new tab, which means it won't overwrite this. You don't want to, so it will open in a new tab inside your Explorer or browser. It won't overwrite the one that you're currently on. Did I do that now? Just like into new tab. I'm just gonna say okay, just a quick example how it looks like, and let's save this. Click on updating on the top right there, and your page is updated. You can say view page, and this is how the page will look like. You'll have your IT news on the right hand side, gaming news, and you can add news inside here. You can also edit more if you would like to add more stuff in there. So that is your news page and your IT news and RSS feeds, how you add it to your WordPress site. Remember, someone else can also, if you start adding content for your news articles, someone can also read from your page. But I'll show that in a separate videos in the future. It's not really that important right now. I think it's more important that we get our website up and running. Next, we will go and actually embed some. You see, this YouTube is just gonna. If I click this, it will open up a new web page. It's gonna look weird seeing myself now. Okay, I'm gonna pause that, but that will just open up a new web page in a new tab. But I want to embed that video inside here, and I'll show you that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Come back the next video. And thanks for watching, and all the new subscribers. I am also going to, for the more advanced programmers and developers that subscribe to my channel, I will do. I'm actually working on one that's taking a little bit longer than I thought for MySQL, hosting MySQL on a Linux Ubuntu machine, and then calling that SQL from a Windows web application. So we'll do that, writing obviously C# in ASP.NET. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time, and hopefully this will help someone that wants to create a website and help other people creating websites and maybe get into IT. And that's why I've got this Learn IT new episodes coming out for this, specifically to help people getting a new skill. Thank you very much. See you next time.